Look at this lap bar, bro.
I know.
Crazy.
That's what made me nervous the first time we got on there. The first time we got on there, it made me nervous. I'm like,
here we go. I'll catch this.
after that, I was good. Like,
here we go. Millennium Force.
Giga, baby. Let's get it.
Entering Giga. Look at Lake Erie. Look at Steve.
Steve going up.
It is.
Rapper going up too.
That's good. That's great to hear, actually.
Top the road's going up too.
Everything's going up. Look at this part.
Going up.
Oh! It's speeding up.
What was that?
It's speeding up. Here we go!
What was that, baby?
Giga time! Woo! I got tears. Yeah, I got tears. Oh my god, bro. Great Giga. Oh my god. That was a
I didn't want to yell. I got hit by like 4 bugs.
Woo!